I'm Kevin.
I'm Logan.
And we're from KromAmericas. Today we're going to take a look at what goes into building a gas train here at KromAmericas.
Our process is simple, and we'll walk you through what that looks like. To get started, just send us an email or give us a call. From there, we'll ask a few questions to better understand your application and your requirements. The information we need includes things like inlet pressure, flow, type of application, and flow direction.
We'll also need to know if your application needs a pilot train. Would you like us to pre-wire it here in-house for you? Gauges, as far as gauges, what size gauges would you like to have? Pressure switches, do you want manual, do you want auto? We can also paint it here in-house if you want. Once we have all that smaller information, we can get a quote out to you, and we will send along a simple drawing for you to look at to see what we are proposing. And if you're okay with all that, we will then have a CAD drawing drawn up for you for your approval.
After the CAD drawing is approved and we receive your purchase order, the assembly process can begin. At that point, the order is handed off to the fabrication team, who ensures the gas train is built exactly according to the approved drawing.
If we take a closer look at the assembly process, you will see that we are very detail oriented. Every gas train receives its own assembly checklist, which helps us to ensure everything matches the approved drawings and all the requirements.
The checklist covers all aspects of the assembly process. We verify the final dimensions, confirm the flow direction of all components is correct, the paint is inspected for defects, and we will set the trip range on your pressure switches if requested.
If pre-wire has been requested, we will wire everything according to our standard wiring diagram, or yours if you request that. All the wires are tagged, put in securely, and rechecked using a pull test.
The fabrication process begins by picking all of the required parts from the warehouse. We pay close attention to make sure the correct part numbers are pulled.
Next, all pipe is cleaned, deburred, and painted yellow if requested. After painting, the pipe is inspected to make sure it meets our standards before anything moves forward.
After that comes assembly. The double blocking solenoid valves are assembled, pressure switches and gauges are mounted, test points are installed, and all piping, manual ball valves, and optional components such as regulators, drip legs, and Y strainers are installed.
Once assembly is complete, all electrical components are checked for proper operation. If everything passes, the gas train moves on to our state-of-the-art leak tester, which was built in-house and after studying factory valve testing methods.
During testing, the entire gas train is pressurized to 5 psi. Once that pressure is reached, a 30-second timer begins. Our system does not pass anything with more than 1% pressure degradation. This testing is performed on all gas trains and even standard valve assemblies to give you the confidence that your equipment is ready to go. If any leaks are found, they are corrected before final inspection.
Finally, the gas train is packed up for shipping. Depending on the size, it's either safely boxed or secured to a pallet.
We take pride in building reliable, code-compliant gas trains that perform safely in your application.
We're here to help make ordering and building your gas train as simple as possible.
If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at support@KromAmericas.com. Thanks for watching.